Now so the bug is fixed. I will commit that and will push that to the brancher, divider, overlapping, tag layout fixed. And we also need to merge that branch in the master. Before merging that branch to the master, so I want to separate the old code in a separate branch to keep that, because we have some of the videos on the old code, like on the old design. In order to have a code for that, then we need to keep it in a separate branch. I will push that. Now I will check out the master branch and will take a pull if there is any latest code on the repository. Now taking a pull and considering a merge if there is any conflicts were happening between the code. Okay, so there were 3 files updating in 5 commits. We take that pull from the master. Now I will keep that code in a separate branch. To do that, I will have command checkout, git checkout -b, then all design. Okay, all design. You can, that command is actually same for any of the OS you are working on it, like either it's Windows or Mac OS. Just run that and now you switch it to that branch. Okay, yeah, all design. So I will push that code to the repository. Now we have the old code in separate branch. I will go to the repository and to check that if the pull request is merging into the master or not. As you can see, we get a red flag that our pull requests can't be merged to the master because we have conflicts in some of the files, that our modification design code is not synced with the master. So in order to sync that, let's just check out the modification design. So after checkout, I will take a pull from the master branch, then we will see the merge conflicts as well. We have conflicts in some of the file, like not listing adapter, not listing fragment, repository, and view model. In order to resolve these conflicts, it's very easy in our case, like we know the new changes is existing in our modification design and the old changes existing in our master. So in that case, if you want to accept the new changes, I will click on the accept yours. If I'm sure that the new changes in the master branch, in that case I will click on accept there. If I am not really sure, then in that case I will click on merge. I will show you both ways, in accept yours or in merge case. First of all, I will show you in the merge case, and then we can see side by side. So this one is the our current branch modification design, and this one is from the origin. So in the middle file, it will show us like which code do we want to have in that file. So in the master branch, you can see we have old code, like in we don't have simple date format. Same is the case of some modification with the text size and description, like we are taking substring. So it's easy in that case, like I will simply ship that code from there. I will not accept from this file. I will ship there from and also ship from the modification bar. We will resolve that conflicts in that file and then click on apply changes and mark resolved. Now we will use the second way, like to accept yours or theirs. In accept your case is if you are really make sure like our changes existing in the current branch, like modification design. If we are really sure on the master branch, like if the changes exist on the master branch, in that case click on accept theirs. So I'm sure that my changes existing in the modification design branch, so in that case I am clicking on accept yours. Now for this file I will use the first method in order to remind that how we did initially. So I click on merge. Now you can see the conflicts is there. I will accept from the modification design and will reject from the master branch. Or not. Now we got 2 errors. Let's see Okay, so while doing merging the conflicts in that file, I think we missed that two lines not to have in that file. So that's why we are getting the error. Now I remove that and let's run it again. My internet is a bit slow, so that's why it's taking time to getting data from the Firestore. If there is any note existing in the Firestore, there is no note, I will try to add a note to check that our project is working fine. Testing note, yes, test description, and also we'll check that bug which we recently fixed. Yes, that is also fine. Now we'll add the note. I will go to the branches, then see we have one pull request that is closed because of the conflicts we were having. Then I will try to create a new pull request. So this time I will click on the new pull request and we'll choose the branch modification design, and let's see. Oops, we are again getting the red flag there. That's because we haven't pushed the code like which resolves the conflicts. So in order to push the code, I will click on the push code, and our code is pushed to the branch. Now we'll refresh the page again, and this time we will get rid of that red flag. Yes, able to merge. Now create pull request, scroll below down, and we'll also get green check there. Now merge the pull request and let's start merging. Now we merge the modification design branch into the master. We have now latest code in the master branch. So that's it for this video. In this video we learned how to create a branch to keep the old code and how to sync the branch with the master, then resolve the conflicts and again push the code and then merge the pull request to the master.